So far in this series, we've been doing a ton of work around automating how you manage your entire YouTube channel. We're trying to get to the stage where all you need to do is to refilm the content, get your editor to edit it, and you're good to go. In this episode, we're going to add a really simple thing to your overall automation, which is about templating how you set up your channel things. Now, everyone has their own way that they like to set this up. So I'm going to show you the most basic one. You can add whatever you like to it. If you want a separate section for B-roll, whatever, go nuts. The point of this is to get to this place where everything about creating your YouTube channel is as simple as it could possibly be. So let's get into it. Here you can see the YouTube video tracker that we've been working for the entirety of this series. Here is where we got up to last time with our test page, a second test page, a YouTube URL, final edit URL, and Google Drive URL. What we want to do now is to create a template for how we're going to create this. So if we go down here, we're going to say new template. Here's what we would call our initial page. Now, if you only have the one channel, this particular one may be empty, but most of my videos are for the Disruption Continuum, so I'm going to create that. None of these are going to be set, okay, other than your status. So for status, we want created in Notion. Here you can set up whatever you want in terms of how you want this to look. This can be really helpful if you have things where you have like your team searching for B-roll or whatever. I like to keep this really simple, so I'm only going to create two headings. We're going to do heading 1, which is going to be my video notes. So this will be a place where, and then we'll create another heading, which will be my editing notes. So this can be really handy if I'm working with an external editor. I just say to that person, here it is, so external editing notes. So far, so good. Now, when I go here, I'm going to get something. Let's give it a shot. Choose that. Oops. And there we have it there. So that's all filled in for us. Now keep in mind, based on the automation that we built in the previous episode, at some point in time, once a day I've recommended, this is going to come along and create the Google Drive structure for us. So at some point in time, it's automatically going to update the status to this Google Drive folders created. That's pretty awesome. But we could probably make this a little bit better by adding in a cool button up here. Here we're going to have like a video dashboard. So let's do that. So first of all, create some columns, 2 columns. And this one is going to be heading 1, video creation dashboard. Okay, and this one's going to be heading 1. And this is a sneak peek for what's coming up later. We're going to call this our video statistics dashboard. Awesome. What we can do here is create a button for a new video. So let's do that. We'll call this create new video button. And when that's clicked, we're going to do a new action. So we're going to add a page to this one here, YT Video Tracker Database. And we're going to make this here. Now, if you want to, you can update your things here, but we won't do that for now. Let's push done. Okay, now I'm just going to delete this to show you what's going to happen. If I go create new video, look at that. Automatically done for you. Now, isn't that the most amazing little thing that you've seen? When you think about the automations that we've already got going for this, crazy. What an amazingly simple little workflow that just saves you so much time and really sets the stage for some pretty incredible things in the future. I hope you enjoyed doing that as much as I did making this for you. Now don't forget, this entire series is all part of my overall goal about seeing if I can create $1 billion solopreneur business. I don't know if I'll make it, but I'm pretty keen to have a shot. If that's something of interest to you, well then why not subscribe to this channel and also start checking out the podcast. I really love creating this content, and your subscription really makes a world of difference to me. So please jump in there and have a crack at subscribing for it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you on the next episode. And don't forget, as a great man once said, the best is yet to come.